How to draw a circle in AutoCAD. Accessing the Circle command. Via ribbon. Go to the Draw panel, click the circle icon. Via command line, type circle or C and press enter. Common methods to draw a circle. Center, radius. Click the circle tool. Click to specify the center. Enter the radius value, e.g. 30, and press enter. Center, diameter. Click the circle tool. Click to specify the center. Press D for diameter and enter the value, e.g. 60, then press enter. 2.2p. Click the circle tool. Type 2p or select from the menu. Click 2 points on the drawing to set the diameter. 3.3p. Click the circle tool. Type 3p or select from the menu. Click 3 points through which the circle will pass. Done. Radius TTR. Click the circle tool. Select the TTR option. Click 2 objects to be tangent to, then enter the radius. Done. TT. Click the circle tool. Select the TTT option. Click 3 objects to be tangent to, not available in all versions.